A very, very slow day compared to Friday. We pinned 6,700, the high put, on the market. So never really got off of this level. Um, and it's not looking very bullish, to be honest with you. We weren't able to get back above the 7-day one, back inside the weekly mean, which means that the dealers probably sold this 6,700 level. In fact, our analysis this morning was to try to sell 6,700 each time the market approached it as far as the options were concerned. We're in the middle of the monthly range, so that is exactly where the dealer likes to sell, or conduct business, buy or sell from that level. So tomorrow, JP Morgan earnings come out, and Mr. Diamond has already indicated that he would like, or is expecting a 30% drop from here. I don't know if he's still thinking that will happen. That news came out a few days ago. But we sure did have a lot of, expectations, positive expectations recently with everything that's been happening, notwithstanding that crypto trade that went horribly wrong. Um, so I'm sort of waiting to see if the market's going to get back inside 6,700 to fill the weekly value area. If not, we're going to go a little bit lower. We pinned the level today. So, what do we expect going forward for the volatility? We're elevated. We're above the monthly ones, and we are definitely elevated. So, we could still, settle around 21 for Friday the 17th. In fact, if we take a look at our quick options, let's do that real quick. Let me pull it up for you. Come over here to my GAX, and the 15th would be Wednesday for expiration. 18 seems to be the pin for the downside negative volatility, and 20 is our upside pin, with 21 as a possibility. So it looks like 20 is going to be the upside pin through the 15th. If we're to add the 22nd to that, then we get more upside volatility. Um, a big swath of positive volatility above 19. So 19 is going to be our gamma flip going next week. So if we start, transacting business above 19, just keep that in mind. We go positive volatility for the expiration of October 22nd, which would be the Wednesday following. Otherwise, that 18 is going to be our large negative downside gamma. 19.5 to 25. So we could, get a quick downturn. It's possible. Anything above 19. And as you can see, we're sitting on 19. So 25 would be up here in our blue twos, monthly twos. So that would be the VIX forecast. And 18, of course, would get us just a little bit lower, pin that. So we're still elevated. Okie dokie. So bounce 18 and trade up to 20, 21, possibly 25 if it gets rolling. And crude was flat today, didn't do anything, stayed inside a little small, tiny range, as did Bitcoin. Gold is the performer. It rallied up to its weekly two, 1.5 times its daily range. We got to the monthly threes, just a little bit out of tail, 1.25 times um, monthly range. But the quarterly is wide open in 41.55. So that 41.50 has some options building. Possibly could see that Friday. So we'll see if that comes into play. All right, that's it for the volatility report. We were um, small range, lazy day today, and hope y'all had a nice day. And we'll see you tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.